Yeah. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Hi, Dad.
Hi, Jim.
I'm taping. Tell me what happened last night.
You mean when the tornado came through?
When Santa Claus came to town. Yeah, when the tornado came through.
I don't know. I was sleeping.
Excellent. You're not going to make it on like CNN for any kind of network anchor spot.
No.
Well, Mom, did you want to do any? What's the date today?
Today is June the 6th, I think, Sunday. And when I woke up, I thought for sure it was the trees, and Dad said no, we thought it was just hail. And then as we looked outside, and every time the lightning would flash, we could see all of the damage.
Okay, I need to wrap this up a little bit quicker.
Yeah.
So what
Okay,
happened? A tornado came through.
Yeah, multiple tornadoes
Multiple.
came through.
Right.
And all the way, Seacliff Park is, we have been told, unrecognizable. Everything is damaged, and we are just glad that we are alive.
Okay, very good. See, Dad, that's how it's done.
I could listen. I could hear 7 times 6 is 42. 6 times 6 is 36.
The hell are you talking
5
about?
times 3 is 15. I said they're multiples.
Thank you very much. That was terrible. The dog. And then we're going to go outside really quick, survey the damage. And this is what it looks like. As you can see, the trees were all topped off, and then this is the front yard. And just kind of carnage everywhere. Sticks all over the ground. As we come over here, we had the old weeping willow, which is one of our favorite trees, right there. Just got knocked over. Trees all over the place. And then this one just totally uprooted. Looking in there, there probably are some toads that I will attempt to capture later. Not now. And this little baby went right into the garage. We may have to inspect from the other side. Windsurfer, undamaged. I wish it was. There's the garage, totally smoked. All these trees. This is not good. Here's the garage. Here was the garage. And as we go inside, not looking too good. Here's the true tragedy. What you're seeing, what you can't see is, this is the refrigerator. Right here. There's beer trapped in there. I don't know how we're going to get it out. Anyway, that's the story. Reporting to you live, this is Jim Sorowick from Leamington, and we survived. Hallelujah. It ain't your wife, it ain't your life, it's only money. Hopefully the insurance company covers it. Hazel, do you have anything to say? Hey, psst, sit. Oh, you're embarrassing me. Can you sit, please? Bad girl. Sit. Down. Okay, that's a fine way to end this video.